Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Setting up your Amazon Fire Stick on a Hisense Smart TV is a straightforward process that will unlock a world of streaming entertainment. First, begin by carefully unboxing your new Amazon Fire Stick device. Inside the package, you should find the Fire Stick itself, a USB power cable, a power adapter, the Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and sometimes an HDMI extender. Before plugging anything in, ensure your Hisense Smart TV is turned off and unplugged from the wall for safety, though many people do this with the TV on. Now, locate an available HDMI port on the back or side of your Hisense Smart TV. These ports are typically labeled HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. Carefully insert the Fire Stick directly into one of these HDMI ports. If there isn't enough space around the port due to the TV's design or other cables, use the included HDMI extender cable to provide more flexibility, plugging the Fire Stick into one end of the extender and the other end into the TV's HDMI port. Next, connect the small end of the USB power cable into the Fire Stick's micro USB port, and then plug the larger USB end into the power adapter. Finally, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. It's crucial to use the provided power adapter and not just a USB port on your TV, as the TV's USB port might not supply sufficient power for optimal Fire Stick performance. With the Fire Stick physically connected and powered, it's time to turn on your Hisense Smart TV using its original remote control. Once the TV is on, you'll need to select the correct input source. Press the input or source button on your Hisense TV remote. It often looks like an arrow going into a box or has the word input. A menu will appear on your screen displaying all available input sources, such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, TV, etc. Navigate using the arrow keys on your Hisense remote and select the HDMI input where you plugged in your Fire Stick. For example, if you used HDMI 2, select HDMI 2. The Fire Stick startup logo should now appear on your Hisense TV screen, indicating it's receiving power and signal. If you don't see anything, double-check your connections and ensure you've selected the correct HDMI input. Now, let's set up the Fire Stick remote and software. Open the back of your Alexa voice remote and insert the 2 AAA batteries you found in the box, ensuring they are oriented correctly according to the positive and negative indicators. The Fire Stick should automatically detect and pair with the remote. If it doesn't, or if you encounter issues, hold down the home button on your Fire Stick remote for about 10 seconds until you see a confirmation message on your TV screen that the remote is paired. Once paired, the Fire Stick setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. First, select your preferred language. Next, the Fire Stick will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Make sure you enter it accurately to avoid connection issues. After successfully connecting to Wi-Fi, the Fire Stick will check for and install any available software updates. This process might take a few minutes, and the device may restart. Finally, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your email or phone number and password. If you don't have one, you'll be given the option to create a new account through your Fire Stick or by visiting amazon.com/firetv/create. It's highly recommended to use an existing Amazon account if you have one, especially if you subscribe to Amazon Prime, as this will automatically link your Prime Video benefits. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts, which may include options to save your Wi-Fi password, enable parental controls, or manage data usage preferences. You'll then be asked to select popular streaming apps you wish to install, like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, or YouTube. Choose your favorites, and the Fire Stick will begin downloading them. Once all these steps are complete, you'll be taken to the Fire Stick's home screen, ready to explore thousands of movies, TV shows, and apps. If you experience any issues, try restarting both your Fire Stick by unplugging and replugging its power and your Hisense TV. Enjoy your new streaming experience. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.